In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook cover in Microsoft Designer. By the end, you'll have a crisp, professional banner that's ready to upload to your Facebook page or profile. First, open Microsoft Designer on the web or in the app. From the home screen, choose New Design, or pick Design from Template if you want a faster start. In the search bar, type Facebook Cover. You'll see ready-made templates that are already sized for Facebook, so you don't have to worry about dimensions. If you prefer full creative control, you can also start with a blank canvas and build your design from scratch. But templates are a great time saver and help ensure your cover will fit correctly. Now, let's customize your cover. Upload your own images. This could be a logo, a product shot, or a background photo that sets the tone. Add your text, like your name, a tagline, or a timely promotion. Adjust fonts, colors, and graphic elements to match your style or brand guidelines. If you're not sure where to start, Designer's AI can suggest layouts and treatments that make your content look balanced and polished. You're not locked into a fixed size, but sticking with the Facebook cover template keeps everything optimized for the platform and saves time. A few design tips will help your cover look great across devices. Keep essential text and visuals toward the center. Facebook crops differently on desktop and mobile, and the profile picture can overlap the left side on some layouts. Centering your key content helps prevent anything important from being cut off. Use high-quality, sharp images so your cover stays crisp once it's uploaded. Also consider contrast and readability. Choose text colors that stand out against your background, and use a font size that remains legible on smaller screens. When you're happy with the design, click Download. Choose PNG or JPG. PNG is excellent for graphics with text and logos, while JPG works well for photographic images and smaller file sizes. Then head to your Facebook profile or page and upload the new cover. After uploading, check the preview on both desktop and mobile if possible, and make sure the central content looks clear and unobstructed. As a final note on sizing, Facebook favors wide, horizontal banners. A reliable, high-quality size is 1640 by 924 pixels, which helps maintain clarity across different devices. Keep your most important elements centered, and you'll have a clean, professional cover every time.